Do you want to go for a jog? Is that why you climbed in there? Now you went out and you don't know how to get out? Riley. Okay, I better help you. Give me your hand. There you go. No, 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 no. You just got out. Don't stand. Thank you. Yeah. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Yeah.